everybody, Danny here. Well, by golly, let's go ahead and get a background on our piece of paper today for our flowers. I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are. Now, as promised yesterday, we're going to start on our lilac. And I'm just getting ready now just to do a background. Now, I'm using acrylic paint. I primed this piece of watercolor paper with acrylic simply to cut down on any absorption that might happen. Now, I've got cerulean blue and I got some dark blue, and we're just going to be just moving this around on here like this, just letting it be wherever it wants to be. Okay, just wherever, whatever. This is just kind of dealer's choice on what we want it to look like. But this is an important part of the painting, so we do not give it any less time than any other part. Now let's just put just the merest touch of a little bit darker blue, okay? Just a little, just here and there, like that, okay? And that's basically all we're going to do with this part. We just get our background ready to put the subject on. Now we'll draw the subject on over the top of the background and paint it that way, okay? But this background is a very, very, very important part, okay? People always ask me, what do I do for the background? Well, I say make it abstract and make it one that will actually complement the rest of the painting with colors. And since we're going to have purple lilacs, this blue is going to work just fine. So be with me tomorrow, and we will actually have the picture drawn in and be ready to start on painting our lilacs. Thanks for being with me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, hit the bell icon, and leave comments. We need comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And by golly, that went on just fine. Now, tomorrow we'll actually have the image down there and we can start painting, okay? Be with me tomorrow, and remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.